there's many areas that we could have done better. You know, it's important we always review games because the initial response at the very end is great to come back, but we all recognise that that's a game we wanted to win. We want to play at a better level than we did during the afternoon. We need to move the ball more quickly, and we need to manage games a little bit better.
Well, it's true they won the last World Champs for the U20, and well, they have also won Toulon, so I'm not the manager of the Three Lions, but obviously there are many qualities over there, and he will have to take a decision, but I cannot talk for him. And it is obvious, well, that England knows how to train the youth since there are such good results.
Dans la phase de qualification.